everybody! Kumusta everyone? This is Lolita and thanks for joining me today. Now in this video, let's learn some sentences using the word now. Of course, in Bisaya. Right? So let's begin with the first one. I am busy right now. Can we talk later? So in Bisaya, that is busy ko karon. Pwede ta mag-istorya unya. One more time. Busy ko karon. Pwede ta mag-istorya unya. Good. Next. I have a meeting right now. In Bisaya, na ako'y meeting karon. Again, na ako'y meeting karon. Right, on to the next one. I was confused earlier, but now I get it. In Bisaya, that is, naglibog ko kaganiha, pero karon nakuha na nako. Nakuha, or it can be nakasabot nako. Sabot actually means understand. So earlier you were confused and now you get it. Right, so moving on to another example. We have, we need to leave now. In Bisaya, that is, kinahanglang muadto nata karon. Kinahanglang muadto nata karon. So another example, I'm feeling much better now after taking some rest. In Bisaya, that is, maayo na ang akong paminaw karon, human nakapahuway. Again, maayo na ang akong paminaw karon, human nakapahuway. Right? Next, we have, I need to finish this now. In Bisaya, kinahanglan ni nakong mahuman karon. Kinahanglan ni nakong mahuman karon. Alright, so more example. Let's have, now that we all have the ingredients, let's start cooking. Karon, kay naa naman tanang ingredients, magluto na ta. Karon, kay naa naman tanang ingredients, magluto na ta. Another example, she didn't believe it at first, but now she understands. In Bisaya, dili siya makatuo pag kinaunhan, pero karon, nakasabot na siya. Dili siya makatuo pag kinaunhan, pero karon, nakasabot na siya. Right, so another example we have, can we talk now? In Bisaya, that is, pwede ta mag-istorya karon? Pwede ta mag-istorya karon? So another example, the meeting starts now. So you can say, nagsugod na ang meeting karon. Nagsugod na ang meeting karon. Right, so on the last one we have, where are you now? In Bisaya, that is, asa ka karon. One more time, asa ka karon. Alright, and that's it. I hope you learned something. Until next time, thanks for watching. Bye!